How to pay using Grabpay later. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay using Grabpay later. First, open your Grab application on your mobile device. Then tap on Finance at the bottom center of your screen. Now tap on Let's Go to start setting up Grabpay later. Here, enter your name as required to proceed. After that, go back and tap on Add a card to link a payment card if needed. Next, return to the Finance section and explore other financial services available with Grabpay later. Then, check Finance settings to confirm all settings are properly configured. Finally, check your Grabpay wallet to make sure your account is ready for payment. Once everything is set up, you can now use Grabpay later as a payment method for your purchases. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.